Beauty has always inspired us. The beauty of precious moments that turn every journey into a fond memory. This is the beauty we invite you to discover. Sail from Southampton or fly and cruise to your dream destination. Atlasy Cruises, for a greater beauty.
It's gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. There's nothing that 100 men or more could ever do.
Liam transferred all his outstanding balances to his Barclays card, giving him 0% interest on all his surprises for Sarah. What you buy is your business. Helping you pay less interest is ours. Barclays card. Make money work for you.
That saved him a swim. Groceries delivered in as little as 20 minutes on Deliveroo. Now, just got even better.
Now it's free to sell eBay.
You'll see things differently now it's free to sell on eBay. Don't even think about it. eBay, things people love.
Hey you! Yes, you! Have you had more than one job? Well, you could have more than one pension. At My Nest Egg, you can combine all your pensions into one pot. Get started in 3 simple steps. And you can keep track and build your investment anytime on our app. Visit My Nest Egg now and start combining your pensions today.
Did you know that you can get the same prescribed double-base formula without having to visit your doctor? Available from the healthcare aisle. Clinically proven double base is specially formulated for problem dry skin conditions like eczema, dermatitis and psoriasis. Double base. Treating skin seriously.
Dating royalty returns. Love Island All Star starts to 99 on ITV2 and ITVX.
Who's this you're holding hands with, Barry?
It's you. Specsavers, sponsors Everdale. Because your mum said that. Oh, she was on our side.
She is. You know what she's like. She puts her foot in it sometimes. But she shouldn't have gone there.
There's no one knows you. We've been searching for weeks. What have we got to show for it?
Well, there's been a few possible sightings.
Brian, Scotland, it's all been a wild goose chase. What if something bad has happened? We've rallied the troops.
Another big push to look for her. Message from Anna. She wants to meet at ours.
Oh, what's happened?
Well, she doesn't say. Whatever it is, she must want to tell us in person, though.
You did all this? The place is immaculate.
Me and Kane didn't want you stressing about it. When you laid up on the sofa tomorrow, you can just relax now, knowing it's all spick and span.
I'm not going to be fit for much else. I'm just sorry that I'm putting all this extra work on you.
Don't be. It's what I'm here for, Mum.
Oh, dear.
Oh, you alright, Trouble?
Hey, you. How was school? Boring. Oh, well, when you're on that wall, you won't be bored now. Hurry up and go get yourselves changed.
Kaz had to stay behind for football practice.
You are joking.
I couldn't get out of it, apparently.
Well, what about spending time as a family? I'm going to be out of action after today. I wanted to make it special. Have you had some out here?
Yeah, this morning I took out 20 quid.
Oh, well, can you pay it back, please? Then get in touch with Kyle. If you're not back soon, we may as well forget it.
You done already? How was the lesson?
Very good. She's got the hang of algebra and can move on to probability next time. Probably.
Doesn't put you off then.
No, far from it. Angelica is an excellent pupil.
We're dead grateful, aren't we, love?
It's better than school, I guess.
You could show some more gratitude. Anthony's given up his time for free.
I mean, it was dead good.
Thank you very much.
You'll have to come to dinner as a thank you. I'll make my signature lamb and date tagine.
Now that I'd love to try.
Thought I was rid of that scumbag.
So did I. And now he's burned his way back in Winnower. I mean, football tickets, you really think he's going to turn them down?
Well, he will if he's got any sense.
Oh, I need to put an end to it. Show Joe I mean business.
He's done it once before. Should have tried harder.
Well, that's where you come in. I need a favour.
I'm not really sure you deserve one.
What's that supposed to mean?
Well, you've not exactly been much help getting me and Moses back on track.
I can't force him, you know. He's terrified of you.
I am sorry that he saw me punch Mac. I didn't know he was there.
All right, so beating my fellow up in private, that's acceptable.
At times.
That is the wrong answer.
No then. Just help me with Moses.
Well, you scare Joe off and I'll tell Moses that you're not the violent thug he thinks you are.
I don't have to word it like that.
Okay, fine. I'll tell him you're sorry, you love him, and that you made a mistake. How does that sound?
Sounds like you got yourself a deal.
Good. Make sure Joe gets the message this time, yeah?
Oh, we will. Loud and clear.
Can we go climbing yet?
No, sweetheart, we need to wait on Kyle. Come here.
If we're late, it might be short.
Well, tell your brother that, because he's the one holding things up. Oh, right, finally. Did you forget about the treat that I organised? I want you to do something special before my radiotherapy starts.
To pop into town.
Town? I thought you said he was at football practice.
He told us in.
Oh, did he now?
Don't be mad. But me and Isaac wanted to do something special for you as well.
What?
We got you this. Special moisturiser. I looked it up online. Said it's good for radiotherapy patients.
Oh, sweetheart, that's really thoughtful of you both.
I borrowed money from the jar. But we'll pay it back, I promise.
Oh, so that's where it went.
So that all counts. Let's call it quits there, boys.
Well, do you know what? You nearly had me going, though. I thought tonight was going to be a washout.
Don't be daft. We can't wait. We love you absolutely, Lord.
Oh, me too. Mwah. Mwah. Do you know, what did I do to deserve you two? And you? Listen, I know that this treatment won't be easy, but knowing that I've got you three by my side, I think I can cope with anything. Come on, go to the park. Bring it in. Oh. Mwah.
So one's landed on their feet. Look at you, eh? Getting your claws back into home farm again.
This is trespassing. I could report you right now.
Come on then. See if you can dial 999 before I smash your teeth in. Didn't think so. Look at you. Smug little coward. Living your best life as if nothing ever happened.
You don't know anything about me.
I know about me. Surgery, skin grafts. I've still got all the receipts.
I'm glad it worked out for you.
I think you're smart, posh boy. Charity warned you to stay away from Noah and you still went back for more.
No, so that's all. I'm used to it. I've just got too much on right now to take on any of the work, but I will text you some names. I'll just use the little boy's room.
He's got a lot on at the minute. I think he's taken on too much. That's his way of coping after Paul.
Yeah, of course. I'm not sure you're right, Tim. I'd be happy to contribute to Mason's funeral. My grandma's really fond of him. And for all his faults, he was a victim of knife crime. And there are too many victims. I should know. I've still got the scars.
That's why this funeral is so important. You can't just be another crime statistic.
That is great! I tell you what, I've got a really nice bottle of Chardonnay in the fridge. Can I have a little celebration? No, leave the wine in the fridge. But you said it's a really good job with the top muffin. Yeah, it is a really good job, but it's in London.
Where you've lived for years. I mean, I have been before. It's not that bad.
I am engaged to be married to a man whose son lives here, whose whole family lives here, whose whole life is here.
He's marrying you because he loves you. You can't turn this down.
I don't want to turn it down.
Look, he's let you go once before. I don't think he's going to let that happen again. He might be really happy. He might have a little bottle of Chardonnay for you himself. Well, at least a couple of cans of lager.
not here.
What?
Your girlfriend, Myla. She was here, but she left, stood you up. So come on, back to yourself.
No. She says she'll be here today.
There's nothing I can do about that.
You've done something to her. She won't let me down. I don't know. You sent her home.
I've done nothing. You've got no visitor, so get back to yourself.
I ain't going anywhere. And neither are you. You don't seem to announce me. Sit down now.
Oh, hey. How's that played under that? Did you what? Pretend like you're a normal person. What? I want you to stop texting Kev pretending like you care. My family has nothing to do with you. My kid is nothing to do with you. And the last thing I need is you dripping poison into Kev's ear. Abby. Keep your nose out. Do you hear me? Or you and me are going to have big trouble. Abby. What did you say to her?
I said nothing. She literally just walked in here and started having a go at me.
Okay, so I picked up a cake from the precinct. Victoria Sponge.
Does he like Victoria Sponge? I like Victoria Sponge. Anyway, I thought you said it was his birthday tomorrow.
Yeah, it is. Just... Okay, full disclosure, I'm just really trying to take my mind off having this, you know, the thing fitted, so I just thought, oh, it's working, actually. And I got in the sports car from my first shop this day. How cute is that?
Oh yeah, I love that.
Oh. Hello, birthday boy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
All right.
to
What is
you.
my birthday tomorrow?
Yes, I know, but we want to celebrate it with you today, didn't we?
I'm going to say I'm touched.
Yeah. We've got you a cake there. And of course a present.
You know when I say I find a distraction, I don't like read a magazine or do a crossword or something.
What was that? Hostage situation at Highfield Prison. It's okay. It's not for me.
Hang on, wait, do you say Highfield Prison?
Yeah. What? What rang?
Okay. Alright, Bobby visited Rob yesterday to try and convince him to donate a kidney.
You what?
I don't know where he is now. He said he was going uptown with Max, but that was a lie. I told him to stay clear of Rob.
Listen, I'll see what I can find out.
Alright, thanks.
Ring Bobby.
I have, he's not picking up, he's not answering.
Do you really want to get yourself into any more trouble?
Oh, yeah, well, you lied. Where's my...
You and your girlfriend are falling out. This is really not the best way to get fixed
She
issues.
says, yeah, and you've done something to her. I know you've done
I've
something.
done nothing. I've never met your girlfriend.
Alright, come on, Louie, you don't want to do this. Easy, Tony. Come on. You're going to stab aside. Why would you want to do that? Do you even know I am in here? You don't think twice about killing every one of you. I just think you got yourself into a bad place. I can get you out of that place if you give me a chance. Young. How old are you? 18.